Everyone's talking about AI website builders, but the question we keep getting is, can it actually build a brand with soul? So let's put our new website builder, Remixer, through a real-world test. We're going to build a high-end business site from scratch, the kind of project that usually takes a week, and we're going to knock it out before my coffee gets cold. To show you exactly what I mean, we're using a mock business, Grit Performance Coaching. It's run by Tyler Briggs, a Scottsdale-based coach who lives by the motto, no shortcuts. Tyler needs a site that matches that intensity. We aren't looking for some generic template here. We need a full dark mode aesthetic, neon lime accents, and bold, aggressive typography that screamed high-end performance. We're going to ask Remixer to build the essentials: a high-impact homepage, a 3-tier pricing table for his coaching programs, and a slider to showcase his 200-plus client transformations. In any other tool, this is a lot of work, right? In Remixer, it's just another day. Let's see how fast we can bring Grit to life. Okay, so here we have our initial prompt: high-performance coaching site for Grit Performance in Scottsdale, Arizona, followed by a few aesthetic details, as well as the contact info, tagline, and business details like title, name, certifications, and testimonials. All that looks great, so let's hit build. Okay, we've got our first draft, and everything is looking awesome. It created the programs, the transformation, and it got the overall aesthetic right on the money. For this next prompt, we're going to ask Remixer to update all the images to be a little bit more workout focused in hopes we can get some more relatable imagery on the site. That said, we do recommend that you upload your own images to maintain authenticity. The AI images are great placeholders, but using your own images is always recommended. Perfect. So now we have some more realistic looking AI imagery. From here, we'd like to highlight the suggested changes feature. Remixer has given us 3 different options here. Let's check them out. Add transformation captions, expand transformation count, and improve carousel navigation. Let's go with option 3, improve carousel navigation. Hey, look at that. Perfect suggestion. I never even would have thought to do that. With the majority of web traffic now coming from mobile devices, it's critical that your site looks and functions flawlessly on smaller screens. So let's take a look at the mobile layout. And as you can see, everything translates beautifully. Clean layout, easy navigation, exactly what your visitors are going to expect when they visit your site. But if for some reason something doesn't look so great on mobile, you can simply ask Remixer to get that updated right here. And just like that, Grit Performance is live. No plugins, no CSS battles, just a high-octane site. If Remixer can do this for Tyler, imagine what it'll do for your business. Stop building the hard way. Head over to our site and start your remix today. I can't wait to see what you build.